in a whimsical wonderland filled with vibrant colours, fantastical creatures, and enchanting landscapes. Evergreen, the majestic Christmas tree, stands adorned with twinkling lights and shimmering ornaments. As the first snowflakes fall, Evergreen awakens from his slumber in the glade, feeling a mix of excitement and nostalgia for the upcoming Christmas season.
Oh, how I long to share my stories again.
Alice wanders into the glade, her eyes sparkling with wonder as she admires the decorations.
Dear Alice, come closer. Let me share my secrets of Christmas.
You can talk. This is incredible.
Indeed, I have many tales to tell.
Evergreen leads Alice to an area filled with smaller trees adorned with unique ornaments that glow softly.
Each ornament holds a memory. Can you hear their whispers?
I can feel their warmth.
They arrive at a bustling market filled with whimsical stalls selling magical treats and decorations.
Look at all these wonderful things. We should pick something special for everyone.
The best gifts come from the heart.
As they explore further, Evergreen encourages Alice to seek out the words that embody the spirit of Christmas: kindness, joy, love, and hope.
Can we make wishes too?
Indeed. Let us tie our wishes to these trees.
They reach the legendary Tree of Wishes, glowing radiantly under the moonlight.
A beautiful wish. Now it's my turn.
As they tie their wishes to the trees, the glade begins to glow brighter. Snowflakes swirl around them like confetti.
This is amazing. It feels like magic is all around us.
Indeed, the spirit of Christmas thrives on love and togetherness.
As their adventure comes to an end, Alice realizes that she will carry these memories back to her world.
Thank you for guiding me. I'll remember this always.
And I will be here every year to share my stories.